Perfect.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna just get my food and start eat it, and then remember say me a vlog. I'm gonna start ginger blocks and you know, like the chicken and the fries, and I'm gonna get a corn. Guys, I kid you not, but then I the drive-thru line for about an hour and a half. Marla did want KFC. Up on my great ear, them guys. Y'all little girls can't talk to me. I just watch some Netflix and I'm going to chill and edit tonight. Oh shit, my ear. I have my ear for the. Honestly, with the method that I'm thinking about, you guys are going to love these vlogs. I don't want to say they're new because I really don't want to start taking bookings for this. It takes a lot of time. I mean, natural gun max take time too, so no biggie. But yeah, I'll check in after I finish eating because the food really sweet me. Bye. Tucal. Here, vlogging. Hold the camera. Hold the phone, hold it. Your finger is covering the lens right there, see? So say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Yeah, vlog, are you not vlog me? Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Guys, may I try bust a quick wash?
Sure.
Absolutely. I'm kind of me, I feel me. Just to show you how it's early. May I try bust a quick wash so I can start work. As you can see, last night I did not do my hair. But it's too tired, so I'm going to drop asleep. But I'm going to try up and wash out them clothes, yeah? Like literally, the amount of clothes I'm going to wash out, not funny. But I'm going to try up and finish wash them out. And then we'll see what else the day has to offer. Today I have 2 heads and 2 faces to do. Yeah. So it's going to be a busy day for me. Somewhere in between this, I'm going to find time for them here. So, yeah. Somebody figure say them still. Birthday girl. Hi. Say hi. What? Hi. Why are you so serious? You're not in the mood? May I put you down then? Come out of my hand. Come, wanna bring goodbye. Come. Say grandpapa, come. Grandpapa, come. I'm kidding.
Can I buy food the time?
What kind of food is it?
Oh, you don't know.
Children is over there. It's not.
Chilling. You can go chilling.
It's not a chicken. It's a flamingo, like him. See? A flamingo like them.
Perfect.
You see, Mar? Come, let's go. Take out your head and let's go. Come on. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Say bye, Mr. Turtle.
Nothing bunny.
Happy birthday, dear Marla. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marla. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Alright, so we're going to cut the cake after three. After three, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Clap yourself. Yay! Alright. Good morning, guys. Oh god, I'm sweat. I'm tired. Alright, so my camera look kind of dirty. Hold on. Maybe it's just dark in here, but it's Monday. Marla has school right now. I'm trying to hurry up and carry her to school. You want to say good morning? Come here. Come say good morning. Ouch. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. I'm gonna tell me why that girl in a love talk. Anyways, we're trying to hurry up and leave out so we can go to school to do the whole cut the cake thing, guys. Yesterday, I not even really get time for a vlog like that. I just kind of took clips of what we were doing. I never get to do an intro to yesterday, nothing like that. It was just, we were late, just, I don't know them things that go. So nothing really happened how I planned it yesterday, but it was fine, kind of worked out at the end. No, I have class today, and I have to go to her school to do the whole cut the cake thing. Come back, my brush is new for, guys. So I'm just trying to drop her off, come back, get ready, put on my clothes, because I already showered, and then go back up there for the whole cut the cake thing. And what else now? Just all them little prepping stuff there. Today I have a practical in class. I have to bring a model. Don't know if I mentioned, but I'm going to DMarie for their level 2 skincare and makeup artistry course. But Marla, was that you? Yeah. That's nasty. Stop that. So right now, guys, I got a punch up her off. And then we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Of course, I'm going to take you guys with me. Guys, the cake that I had yesterday, because I ordered 2 cakes, was nothing like I planned it. You guys saw that pink with the purple, pink drop in a Papa Troy God alone. No, that was nothing like what I ordered. The second cake that was for the school, I have not opened it yet. But we will see what it looks like. Hopefully, it's actually what I ordered. But we'll see. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Are you now? 3. How old are you now? How old are you now? 3. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Okay, the last one should be very loud now. Hip hip hooray! Yay! Alright, now I'm going to blow out our candle now. Look through the fan, I blow like this one, please. Alright, just click it and light it. I think the other one I go blow it out. Alright, Bunny. Wow. Blow your candle. Alright. After 3, you blow it out. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Alright. I'm gonna not one or one cut it. Our closest friend in here. Who you want to cut the cake with, baby? Who you want to cut the cake with? Talk quickly. Who you like to cut the cake with? Who you want to cut the cake with you? She's shy now, she knows. Who you want to cut the cake? I have a little friend. What should they? Ciara? Her. I like her. Come, Maria. Yes. Come, Maria. Come. Go on, baby. You and Namala go cut the cake. Come. You and her gonna cut the cake. Go on. No. Alright. Go, go, go. You hold one knife and she hold the other knife.
Get up and come on.
Come on, Jeremiah, quickly. So you guys can get back to your work.
Alright, we're going to cut the cake with your marla, okay? So you're going to hold this knife, hold it. Wait.
Marla, you hold the other knife too?
Hold this one. So after three, you're going to pull it down, right? Hold it up here.
Alright, everybody, 1, 2, 3.
Pull it
Cut
down.
it. Cut it,
Pull it
Marla.
down.
Cut it down. Yay, go. Go. Oh God. Go. Cut it, Marla. Cut it like you did yesterday. Oh my God. Watch them. Alright. That's good. Alright. No biggie. It's like they're gonna break up anyway. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna cut it up. Alam mo vlog na dog? Alam mo vlog na dog? Why you say like this? Close your eyes. I'm gonna get your hair too. Echo Madonna. Hello. Alright guys, outdoor shot of my work today. This is my model, but I don't know my assistant already. I understand her in our vlogs before. So today our assignment was to do bridal makeup, so I did this little look on her. Copper eyes, close your eye shocks. Copper smoky eyes and a pinkish lip. Yeah, open them. And guys, like, we'll actually do like turn on the head. We'll style our hair like this and put in the cute little pearls them and them crop there. And get the veil and all them some of there. Got her to wear a white dress and all of that. But yeah, it'll look real nice. Oh, alright guys, I just woke up from a nap and I just wanted to close out the vlog. It's been such a long day, like with my reach home, I did want to do a sleep, so I'm really just go take a 5 me and Marla. And I got home, I just picked her up from school and I've been sleeping since I got home. And it's now, I don't even know what time. But with the rest of my night, now I can do some work in the night. So tonight I'm going to be doing a lot of editing. I have so many videos for you guys. I'm so excited because I have so much content like back up. So now I can finally, since Marla's birthday is gone and the celebration plans and all of that done, the only thing I have left to plan for the rest of the month that I know of is GlamCon. I will be going to GlamCon. I was talking to my teacher today about it, and you know, she was like, we were talking about the master class with It's Hot Chick. Guys, Moan got a master class, so till like I really want to go. I'm going to see if I can get a ticket to go because I really want to go. The problem I'm having is having to go to GlamCon, the master class, and then going back to Kingston 2 days, like 2 days in a row. 1 day for the expo and 1 day for the class. If I'm not mistaken, the 7th I already booked people for the 7th, right? So I'm trying to see how I can just move some things around because I really want to go to this class. I really want to go, and I feel like it will just be so good for me to go. So I'm still trying to move stuff around, but I think eventually I'll just figure it out, because the 7th and 8th would that be weekend I come, no? Shiz, would have to figure it out like ASAP. Alright, I'm going to find out from my appointments, my clients, if I can accommodate them at another time, because I would really love to do that. I want to go to the class. So I already saved the 8th for myself. I didn't save the 7th because I wasn't thinking about the class, but I really want to go, so I think I'm going to go. I definitely think I'm going to go, but I'm wondering if I'm going to go by myself. I don't like going to these social events by myself, but I just might, to be honest. I just might. So I'm going to see if I'll be going alone. And yeah, but right now, for the rest of the night, I'm just going to be editing the files that I have on my laptop. I have a lot of files. I just found out I have a full day of work tomorrow. So the best thing to do. Oh God, guys, I wanna know my hours are yawning on my vlog them, so I'm supposed to used to that by now. When I yawn a lot, water runs from my eyes, so don't mind that. But no, my girls, do some scheduling for the rest of the night. After I finish scheduling all my appointments that I have left in my phone, I'm going to go ahead and start on the editing. I know I desperately need a cup of coffee, like a nice hot cup of coffee. So I'm going to fix myself a cup of coffee and just get to work. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to wish Marla happy birthday down in the comments below. I didn't even get a good clip with her asking her, you know, like how if she enjoyed her day or anything like that. But you guys know the vlogs are always all over the place. And she came from school today and she was super tired because we woke up really early this morning and just all of that. You guys know Monday morning blues. But yeah, really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Y'all already know what to do. Show us some love by giving it a thumbs up and also hitting the subscribe button so that we can create more content. Alright, of course guys, you already know, drop me a comment down below, wish Marla what you want to wish her down there. Yeah, and I promise you guys, she's 3 now, and I've been putting off that update video for like basically 3 years. She's 3. I do want to sit down with her and film some videos with her this month, so it's just for me to carve out the time as always. But we're gonna do it. We're definitely gonna do it. I have like drastic plans for my channel for this season and also just like overall in general. So yeah guys, just stay tuned and continue to show love and support. I really appreciate you guys so much when you you know, let me know like, yeah, we're watching and we love what you're doing, you know. I really appreciate you guys. But that's it. These vlogs I don't think I'll be dropping at all. It's just a goddess version. Oh my god. It's just a goddess version of the Natural Glam Vlogs in like a remix kind of state. Lies, because these aren't even the Natural Glam Vlogs. The technique that I did was like completely different. I'll probably have like a different video about that because I want to get them styled and film a holiday look. But all that is coming, guys. Just stay tuned. So yeah, love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time.